Hello food lovers, welcome to Lulu Food Home. Today I am going to make 3 kilo country chicken green chilli curry. This recipe is very good with chapati and rice. If you are watching my channel for the first time, please subscribe to my channel. Also click the bell icon below. Like, share and enjoy many more new videos. First, wash the chicken. Place well and put them in the cooker. See, like this. In the we add half tablespoon of turmeric powder and half tablespoon of salt, and similarly let's finely chop on onions. Now let's add half glass of water and close the cooker lid. Now let's place the cooker on the stove and cook until 3 whistles come. Now will we make green chilli paste for the chicken. Now I am taking 10 green chillies in a mixer jar. Add some meat and some coriander and half tablespoon of salt. By adding salt like this, the green chilli paste will not come astringent. Look, make it into a paste. Let's 3 whistles. Let's turn off the stove. Now let's take the lid off the cooker. Look, the chicken is 60% cooked. It's a country chicken. It takes some time to cook. After the oil heats up, let's add the onions. Let's fry the onions until they are light brown. Once it turns brown, let's add 3 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste. Now mix it well. After the ginger garlic paste is slightly fried, let's add green chilli paste that we grind. Now mix it well. Let's fry this until the raw smell is gone. Now let's add 2 cups of tomatoes. Mix it well. Let's fry the tomatoes for 10 minutes. Now we'll add 3 tablespoons of coriander powder and 1 tablespoon of black pepper. Let's fry for 5 minutes perfectly. Now let's add the parboiled chicken into this perfectly. Mix well. Now let's cover it and cook for 40 minutes. After 40 minutes, check it out. The chicken is well cooked. It's very tasty. The green chilli country chicken curry is ready. See, bye bye.